ठीक. Hello students. Hello students. Good morning to all of you. See here. This is my second video of second part of the third video. Here in second part, I will teach you complex adjective class. In our adjective class, as you have seen here, I taught you in your simple sentence how we are going to combine two or more than two sentences into a simple sentence. In that video, I taught you you use your adjective, word adjective just before any noun to define it. But in this complex sentence, you will use whole the class or whole subordinate class just by the side of your principal class, and it works as an adjective. Whole class works as an adjective. So you can see the example here. First one, I bought a camera. It was very cheap. So I bought a camera which was very cheap. Here word which, that is conjunction, same whatever you have used. Here in this your adjective class, you will use relative pronoun or relative adverb. The conjunction of relative pronoun or relative adverb. So I bought a camera, it was very cheap. I bought a camera which was very cheap. In the second example, a boy came to my office, he was blind. Very careful. Be careful here in the sentence. The boy who was blind. Here you will find the name. The boy who was blind. This is your subordinate class. And another part of this principal class is here to my office. In the same way, you can also change, you can also combine it in another way. The boy who came to my office was blind. Now let us see. There you will find here in the same way. So this is your adjective class. So dear students, you have to do it in the same way, and I hope all of you will do your whole exercise based on adjective class. Now I will teach you adverb class in my third part. In my third part of third video. Okay? So say students here, in your adverb class, you will find many conjunctions related to it, just of time, of place, of reason, of condition, of comparison, of contrast, of result, purpose, manner. So you will find 9 kinds of adverb class of conjunctions. You will use here one by one in the similar condition. See the first one here, of time. Here it always denotes time, and you will use conjunctions whenever, when, while, till, until, before, after, as long as soon as, since. All these conjunctions are used here in your time. I am giving you an example here. I waited Mohan. I waited till his arrival. I waited Mohan till he arrived. This one is here subordinate clause, and this is your subordinating conjunction. Understand? This denotes your time. Is that clear? In the second, you will find out place. Just when you are going to combine two or more than two sentences, so you will have to use the conjunction wherever. It is important for you to understand the conjunction where or wherever. So Pandit Nehru went to many places. He was welcomed everywhere. Now, if you are going to combine the sentence, how will you combine? Pandit Nehru was welcomed wherever he went. In the same sentence, you will find conjunction wherever. This is your conjunction. It denotes the place. Nehru was welcomed wherever he went. Now, third here is of reason. enough reason, you will find when you are going to combine two or more than two sentences, you will find the conjunction because, since, as, etc. He was ill, he could not go to school. You will find here reason. He could not go to school because he was ill. This is your subordinate clause, and because is here your subordinating conjunction. So because, since, as, these are the conjunctions used here in reason. Now fourth here is condition. When you are going to combine two or more than two sentences into a complex sentence, certainly you will find the conjunction here. Condition means if, unless, in case, etc. If, unless, in case, etc. So you can see the example. Do not work hard, you will fail. If you do not work hard, you will fail. Understand? So here, if you do not work hard, this is your subordinate clause. Subordinate clause. Okay? Now, fifth one is here of comparison. In comparison, when we are going to combine two or more than two sentences into a complex sentence, we will find the next conjunction here. So say here of comparison. Here, when we combine two or more than two sentences into a complex sentence, we use of comparison. The conjunctions of comparison. Here in this sentence, in this comparison, you will use than, so, as, so as, etc. Radha is beautiful, Sweta is beautiful. Radha is as beautiful as Sweta. Here the same is here compared. Next, of contrast. When we are going to combine two or more than two sentences into a complex sentence, we use conjunction though, although. He is poor, he is honest. Although he is poor, he is honest. Here word although is conjunction. Next, of result. So here in this way you will use conjunction so in the first clause and second one that. He was very poor, he could not buy a book. He was so poor that he could not buy a book. Understand? And next one is here of purpose. In this, when we are going to combine two or more than two sentences into a complex sentence, we use conjunction of purpose just here so that, in order that, least. And in another sentence, in the clause you will use may or might in a sentence. I drew my sword, I wanted to defend myself. I drew my sword so that I might defend myself. Here in the next way. And last one is here of manner. When we combine two or more than two sentences into a complex sentence, we use conjunction here in our next and last manner. Just in same conjunction you use as conjunction as, so far as, etc. See here, last one in 9, you will find of manner. So here, as I told you earlier, the conjunction so far as used here. You have treated me in certain way, I will treat you in the same way. Means I will treat you as you have treated me. Here conjunction as is used in a sentence. So dear student, I hope all of you have revised well here with me, and now you have to complete your exercise here on the basis of the synthesis. this chapter complete. Both the synthesis have been completed by me, and now I will give you transformation, the revision work of transformation in my next video. Thank you, students.